Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply transitions to your slides created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your slides. After that, tap on this transitions button at the top of the screen below the search bar, and here you can find a bunch of transitions available, organized into 3 distinct categories such as subtle, exciting or dynamic content. Tap on the relevant one, and then as you can see it's marked with this star icon below the number of the slide. On the current slide, as you tap on the options button, you can also add the effect options such as left or right. You can set the duration of your effect, and you can also apply the selected transition to all of your slides by tapping on the apply to all button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.